I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest video on the best beaches of Ubatuba, Brazil. My name is Jessica, and in this 4 Kelvin walking tour, I will take you on a mesmerizing journey to explore some of the most beautiful beaches in this stunning coastal city. Before we start, I would like to request you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know which beach you like the most in Ubatuba. Let's get started.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Our first stop is Praia do Cedro, a hidden gem located on the southern coast of Ubatuba. This secluded beach is surrounded by lush greenery and offers crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. You can also take a walk along the Goldens or simply relax under the shade of palm trees and enjoy the peacefulness of this tranquil beach. Next, we head to Praia do Felix, known for its emerald green waters and stunning rock formations. The beach is surrounded by tropical vegetation, which adds to its natural beauty. You can also find some cozy restaurants and bars here where you can enjoy delicious local seafood and refreshing drinks while soaking in the breathtaking views of the ocean. Our third destination is Praia Vermelha do Sul, a long stretch of Goldens and beach surrounded by mountains and lush vegetation. I hope you enjoyed this 4 Kelvin walking tour and found it useful. Once again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below to let me know which beach you like the most.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.